Have you ever pondered over the concept of risk evaluation and its importance in our lives? Well, let's dive into it. Risk evaluation, at its core, is a process that helps us compare the results of risk analysis with risk criteria to determine if a risk and the magnitude of that risk is acceptable or tolerable. This process is not exclusive to business professionals. It's a part of our everyday lives. From deciding whether to cross a busy street to making an investment, we're constantly evaluating risks. As we start to peel back the layers of risk evaluation, we uncover two main components: risk analysis and risk criteria. Risk analysis is the process of identifying and analyzing potential issues that could negatively impact key business initiatives or projects. This could be anything from a sudden change in market trends affecting your business to a natural disaster disrupting your supply chain. On the other hand, risk criteria refer to the acceptable levels of risk an individual or organization is willing to take. This is subjective and varies greatly depending on a variety of factors, such as financial stability, risk tolerance, and personal or business goals. Now, imagine you're considering investing in a startup. You've done your risk analysis and identified potential issues like market competition, financial stability of the startup, and the viability of their product or service. Your risk criteria, however, might be influenced by factors like your financial capacity, your willingness to take financial risks, and your faith in the startup's potential. By comparing your risk analysis with your risk criteria, you can make an informed decision on whether or not to invest. But why is risk evaluation so important? Well, it provides a systematic way for individuals and organizations to make informed decisions. It helps us understand the potential consequences of our actions and provides us with the knowledge to mitigate risks. Ultimately, it allows us to navigate our world with a greater sense of security and confidence. In summary, risk evaluation is a crucial process that involves comparing risk analysis with risk criteria to make informed decisions. It's an integral part of our daily lives and is key to making decisions that align with our personal or professional goals. So the next time you're faced with a decision, remember to evaluate your risks. It might just be the difference between success and failure.